Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Puppy here. Nana just gave me this. Find out if it works before she knows if she's going to keep it or not. This is, as you see, Western Digital, my book, 6 terabyte.
I already paid them that. If they didn't get it, it's their fucking problem.
USB cord, documentation, power supply.
I'm gonna have to call these assholes.
Pull this crap off.
Because I say they didn't get their $49 and it's late. I know, I mailed it on the 29th.
I don't know who she's talking about there, but I'm pretty sure it's not this terabyte drive.
I gotta go.
Oh boy!
What?
Come up, there you go. Okay, in the back here we got your basic full-blown USB 3 plug receptacle. Oh, I guessed it right the first time. It didn't destroy the socket. Hey. Power connection. Now, come over here. There we are. Yeah. Here's the USB 2 end. I'll plug this in over here behind the camera. Oh, get out of the way, cord. And the power is going to go over here. And now, installing. See, it says installing. Okay. Okay, we're still installing, I think. No. Well, let's get that out of the way. Bring up computer. Aha! We have life. There is life. Open folder to view files using Windows Explorer. Okay. Looks nice, doesn't it? computer. What is this? Not accessible. That would be the system crap built into this baby right here. So we go back to my book, create shortcut. Here we go. We got a shortcut on the desktop now. Boom. No, here we are. Okay. And close. My book. Bang! There we go. Well, let's find something to put there. Yeah, to YouTube. Posted. Copy. Notice I said copy, not cut. New folder. YouTube. Look at it. They're just jumping up in there. Poppy does a flame job. Poppy unboxes. Hey, now, 2 minutes left. $60 seconds. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You see, I'm still here. Here's that 6 terabyte drive. And here's the computer we're recording on. I haven't paused, speed it up, 7 minutes 45 seconds of recording, and it's still about 60 seconds of hey. Yeah. I'll play anybody can be a star on YouTube December 18th. Just to show you. This is Get Yo Link. That's about Patreon. Every time I go to upload now, it says subscribe to my channel. Dialog pops up and the input URL publish. It's like Patreon don't want anyone to post. Okay, now it's there. Let's see how playback go. Boom! Media player classic jumping out. Hey, I look better than. See that? When I first saw that, I was so jazzed I grabbed my Fine Picks. Shot this 20-second clip. Then I shot Emma an email and saying, hey, this is the...
Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too.
Okay. Well, Poppy's going to call that a pass. It turns on, it takes the data, and it allows me to look at it. Win, win, win. This is, like I said, Western Digital, my book, 6 terabyte. Yeah. About 10 years ago, my wife got me a terabyte thumb drive. I mean, it was literally just that big. Plug it in one computer, load a whole bunch of stuff on it, great. Shut down, go move it to the other one. New device. Must be formatted to be used. Ah! Great. If I wanted a terabyte slaved to one computer, never ever be able to take the file somewhere else. Anyway, now let's see. Claudius. Bring up the computer. I know. Oh, that literature. There it is. Uh, as you can see, it's all words, no pictures. There's the power button. Okay. Eject device, my book. Safe to remove hardware. Okay, well, eject hardware. Okay. I'm pointing at the 6 terabyte drive. It's a Western Digital My Book 6 terabyte. Other than mechanical changes to the casing and probably the framework inside, it's just like a My Book my wife gave me like 15 years ago. She gave me a quarter terabyte. Ooh, this one works the same way. You can leave it plugged in to the wall for power. Plug in the USB cord. It finds the computer. Wakes up. Says, okay, computer, I'm here. You gotta use the USB port eject hardware dialog. There's no power button on the unit itself. I will check later and see if I can plug it into another computer and play one of my vids. This has been Poppy for unboxing my book.